template for submission of project work. Instructions to candidates. Although your project work may be prepared on a computer, consider the following requirements for meeting the standards. Page. Use only A4 size Word format in portrait orientation with normal margins for all text contents. Next, text formatting and printing instructions. Font style. Use Times New Roman for the entire document. Font sizes. Title 14 pt bold. Subtitles 12 pt bold. Body text 12 pt regular. Note: printing requirements. Use dark black ink. Text must be clear, sharp, and easy to read. Uniformity. Keep the same font and size throughout the entire document. No mixing of different fonts or inconsistent sizes. Pagination guidelines. Page numbering. Number all pages in the document. This includes text, tables, diagrams, maps, and plates. Numbering format. Roman numerals I, E, 3 for preliminary pages before main text. Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3 for the main text pages. Placement. Page numbers can be placed anywhere on the page. However, placement must be consistent throughout the document. Spacing and margin guidelines. Spacing. Use double spacing for all regular text. Use single spacing for long quotations, footnotes, and notes. Margins. Left margin 1.5 inches. Top, right, and bottom margins 1.0 inch. All diagrams, photographs, and facsimiles must be on standard page size only. Photographs, tables and figures. Photographs. Submit digital images with a minimum resolution suitable for clear reproduction. Tables and figures. Avoid repetition of the same data in both table and graph form. Provide actual data used to create graphs. Use Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3 for numbering tables and figures. Table legends placed above the table. Figure legends placed below the figure or graph. I've created and compiled a few sample templates and formats for project work, along with some examples which you can refer to for better understanding. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and share.